Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch TNT Sports live using the legal and the safe methods. Now, TNT Sports moved most of its broadcast to the official streaming platforms. So I'm going to be explaining the correct way to access it without relying on any other unsafe websites. So to watch the TNT Sports legally, the main method is through their official streaming services that carry TNT Sports channels. So depending on your region, these services include major TV providers and verified sports platforms that offer live football, UFC and other events. So you can search for the service available in your country and make sure that TNT Sports is included in the plan before subscribing. If you prefer the streaming services on your phone or TV, you can download the official app of those providers. So once you sign in with your account, you can just go to the live TV option or the sports section and you can select TNT Sports. So the stream loads instantly and it supports HD as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.